Guys, Bitcoin is knocking on heaven's door right here. We got major resistance coming into the Bitcoin price, and it's not only this line, but if we do get a breakout right here, guys, we will get probably a massive pump to the upside, and we might see that sooner rather than later, because I still think the majority of the people are slightly bearish still on Bitcoin, although it's not really visible in the funding rates yet. But I do think that there's still some fuel left in Bitcoin to the upside. And I'm going to show you exactly why I think that. Guys, first of all, if you like this video, if you are watching right now, make sure to watch till the end, but make sure to leave a thumbs up, because that will push this video to as much people as possible, which is very important. And if you want to become a 3D trader, yeah, you heard that right. You got 2D trading and 3D trading. You actually got 4D trading as well. I want to quickly elaborate on that, guys. If you trade 2D, two-dimensional, that's just looking at regular TA and patterns. 2D trading will not get you any far, right? 3D trading is when you include derivative exchange data, like on whaleportal. If you are using whaleportal, you are already, and you understand how to use these metrics, you are already a 3D trader, which means you have an extra dimension of information that you are using for your analysis. A 4D trader is someone who knows how to interpret time cycles into their analysis. That is, of course, very difficult to do successfully, but if you do that successfully, it will tremendously improve your game. But already going from 2D to 3D by using derivative exchange data already is a huge game changer, guys. Okay. We got the resistance right here. It looks like a falling wedge formation. Of course, if we break above this falling wedge formation, the target of that wedge is the top of the wedge at $65,000. That's extremely bullish. We can make a conservative target at $44,000. But this is not the only resistance that we are running into right now, guys. We actually, if I connect these lows right here, and I make a nice parallel channel, then you can see that we are trading in a declining channel where we are touching the middle right now. And normally, as you can see, the middle acts as resistance, but if we break through the middle, it will act as support, and we can go to the top of the channel, which in this case would be $37,000. If Bitcoin breaks above this level, guys, like decisively with a nice push, I think there's still a lot of fuel left in this rally, and I'm going to tell you why. Look at this. From the point of breaking out right here, let's just say the really pump candle, starting from the pump candle, we had a 34% pump, right? Over a time span of couple of weeks, 2 weeks maybe. But if we go right here, guys, and this is a Bitcoin in 2019, and we have a look at the pump from the breakout right here, then 37% is roughly right here. Look at what we did in 2019. We had a pump of 232%. And of course, it is way more difficult to replicate this right now, because we need more liquidity. The higher the market cap, the more liquidity we basically need, right? But the market also matured, so that means that more potential buyers are in the market. And I just want to give this as an example, guys. We have seen a rally of over 200% without any real pullback. We had some wicks, like a wick down, but as you can see, we had pump up, consolidating actually in like flag formation, pump up, like rising channel formation, pump up, right? So if we also look, and this is a lot of people talking about this, if we look at the relative strength index, we have bearish divergence here. Let me show you guys. We got bearish divergence here. We got bearish divergence here. We got bearish divergence here. What did Bitcoin do? Completely ignored it. Completely ignored it. It actually creates more space for bullish momentum. It comes down, pop, can make another leg up. Goes down, pop, make another leg up. So if you are seeing a bearish divergence right now in such bullish market conditions, Don't think like, ooh, we are going to go down. Hell no, Bitcoin can completely ignore this. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you will see bearish divergence, right? And a lot of people will call this, yeah, we might see the reversal right now, we might see a correction. Possible. I'm not saying that it is not possible, but don't forget, in a strong bull market, Bitcoin can just go up, rally, up only, another leg one up, and just ignore these bearish divergences. Big tip, guys, big tip. Don't short in a bull market. Wait for the price to come down. Wait for consolidation. Open your long positions and get ready for takeoff. Why should you short, for example, these moves while you have an upside, while there's a high upside potential and you actually could get liquidated? It really doesn't make any sense, guys. Don't short during a bull market. I also have to tell that to myself because, of course, we still have the emotions from the bear market from previous year. You are looking at the chart, you're like, ooh, maybe I wanna short because I want to protect my capital, but I would say we are in a bull market, and yeah, capital is going to go up. And the worst thing is when you are in a short position and you are seeing this big of a green candle. It's better to wait, let the price come down, let the price correct, jump in long positions, because the risk reward to the upside is better than to the downside. These small down moves, what do you want to get with that? Nothing. And the potential that it breaks out to the upside is way higher, which will liquidate your move, because once it goes up, it won't come down. Of course, sooner or later it will come down, but you don't know when. It can rally now to 30k before we are seeing a significant correction. Can rally to 40k, but it can also happen now. But I think it is better to wait for a long position. At least that's my strategy, but I gotta remind myself, that's why I'm telling it to you guys too. Okay, if we look in the shorter term time frame, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Right here, we have some kind of flag formation. I drew a couple of flags right here. Basically, we got this flag, bam, but we also got a bigger flag right here. It just looks like consolidation, so the chances of breaking up is definitely higher. What is the target? If we break out to the upside, that is the pole of the flag put at the other side of the flag right here. That would set the target at 24.7k if we can break decisively over 23.2k. Guys, if you want to trade this move and if you want to get whale alerts, if you want to get updates, extra updates over on WhaleAlerts, then make sure to join Bybit with the affiliate link down below. You can get a bonus up to $30,000 and you can sign up right here over on WhaleAlerts just by joining Bybit. We've shared a altcoin list over on WhaleAlerts, the altcoins to watch for 2023, and already some altcoins took off. There was one altcoin with our entry that's already 35% in profit, and that is just the start. Actually, most altcoins that we posted since we posted on WhaleAlerts, our list of altcoins is like 5 altcoins, are all in profit. But some of them are more in profit than others. And that already shows the strength of these altcoins for 2023. And why I'm so stoked to this and why I think that we could see these altcoins really, really taking off. All based on artificial intelligence. So guys, this is basically what I'm watching. Of course, if Bitcoin breaks down, then that will show us that most likely we will get a pullback. The pullback will take some time. Again, I would not necessarily short the market, right? I would just like wait for the pullback to complete, consolidation, nice bottom, bullish divergences, negative funding in a bull market. That's all very beautiful. Go into long positions and do that. Remember, guys, that if you want to become a 3D trader, make sure to use whaleportal, because including derivative exchange data into your analysis will significantly help you. Guys, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. Drop a like, subscribe, and I love you all, and I see every single one of you in the next video.